Hi guys, here's Alec, Peirce at the ranch again. A couple of tips, couple of ideas that might help you folks that live out in the country. Well, you don't have to live in the country, but some of these ideas are from our ranch. But it's nice, it sure is a beautiful day today, and I want to talk about something that might be good for anybody, not just for at the ranch. But here at the ranch, it's great. This is a doorstop. Whoop-de-doo, right? Doorstop. You all know about doorstops. And I've used doorstops a lot. In fact, on the door here to my garage, I have had a doorstop for many years. The garage has been here for 20 years, and I guess there's been a doorstop on it for most of that time. And that doorstop has always irritated me because it stops the door from opening and closing. Yeah, so you open the door and you put the doorstop down and the door won't slam shut, which is nice, right? The problem is when you want to get behind the door, and behind my door I have the brooms and the dustpan, and I have the windshield washer fluid, and I have the electrical panel for turning the lights and the welder on, and I have all kinds of things behind the door that I use on a regular basis. I figure I'm out in the garage almost every day, and I'm out there for 2 hours. I probably have to go behind the door at least twice in that 2 hours, at least twice, sometimes more. And the problem with a regular doorstop is, in order to go behind the door, you have to reach down. I can't get my foot in behind it. I have to reach down with my hand, pull the doorstop up, move the door, do whatever I have to do, put the door back and put the door, and it just gets to be a darn nuisance. Particularly, you know, I'm old now. I'm going to be 70 on Saturday. By the way, it's my birthday on Saturday. If you folks want to send me something, I'd be very appreciative. Anyway, so it's always been a nuisance. And I'm playing around the other day looking at the catalog for one of my favorite stores, Lee Valley. Now, if you're watching from the United States or the UK or Germany, some of a lot of my viewers are from, you probably don't know Lee Valley, and that's a shame. Lee Valley is like a Harbor Freight, but top quality. Yes, high quality. And a lot of variety as well, like Harbor Freight has that, but it's extremely high quality. Go to leevalley.com. You'll see what I mean. It's got great stuff. As far as I know, it's only in Canada, like Lipton tea, only in Canada. However, I was flitting around and I saw this thing. It's called the Easy Step Doorstop. And I looked at it, and what's that all about? And I took a closer look and I said, darn it, I have to get one of those. I called my local Lee Valley. They had 3 in stock. I bought 2 of them right there on the phone and drove over and picked them up. These are great. Let me show you the difference between this doorstop, the Easy Step doorstop, and a normal doorstop. Okay? Hang on just a moment. Here's the Easy Step. I call it the automatic doorstop. It's just fantastic. It looks like a regular doorstop, doesn't it? But let me show you what happens. First of all, let's flip it up. That's what you have to do normally, the normal doorstop. And you open the door where you want it to stay, and you push it down, and it just drops down. Now, if for some reason you want to get behind the door, normally you have to bend over, reach down and pull the foot. Not with this doorstop. You press on that lever, it goes up. It's just that simple. I just love this. So you use your foot to put it down. It drops, it's spring-loaded, it drops. You don't have to force it down. The door won't open, it's stuck there, you see. And now, to bring it up, step on the lever. Open and close the door. I just love this. It saves me bending over 3 or 4 times a day. Now, I wanted to show you something else about this doorstop that isn't obvious. I've never seen this before either. Here's the one out of the package that I just showed you. There's the doorstop. You see it's the same one. But you notice that down here, I don't know if you can see that, Kevin. When you get in there, you can see right here, that little knurled dial. Never seen this before. But that little knurled dial moves the rubber foot up and down. So if your placement on the door isn't perfect, you can adjust it so it is perfect. Or, as happens, if this rubber starts to get worn and no longer holds the door open, you can turn that little knob, move the rubber down so it grabs the floor, and just like that. Now, there's no reason for you to install it improperly because it's just this simple. Let me show you what they do with this tool. You take this piece of cardboard out of the backing, and you stand it on the ground right there, and there's 3 little holes in it. You take your magic marker, bop, 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 put the doorstop in place and screw it on. You really can't go wrong. There it is, the automatic Easy Step doorstop. I just plain love it. I'm going to show you one more time. I'll do it with my foot this time, Kevin. You keep watching the doorstop there, and I'll show you what happens, okay? Let me open it first. So, again, in the morning, open the door like so, place the door where I want it, just that easy, and then I want to get behind it for some reason, I just step on it. That's Winnie. That's our donkey, if you're wondering what that noise is. That's not the train, that's the donkey. Anyway, the Easy Step doorstop. I got 2 of them. I got looking for someplace else where I need them, and I'll certainly find a use for that. Maybe that'll be handy for you guys as well. That's it. Not much. Alec Peirce at the ranch. Hope you enjoyed that. Talk to you soon.